Welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be taking something a little bit different from what we normally do on this channel, since we are unable to be providing you with car content as always. Today we'll be talking about how to top up your power steering fluid on any vehicle. But before we start, just bear in mind I'll be using this BMW E46 318i as a sample for you guys to know how to go about it. So yes, on this BMW you first have to take off the cap. Just be very careful when you're taking the cap off. So once you take it off, you just need to double check the level of your fluid. Once you open the power steering fluid, you need to be careful when you pouring it into the container. Just make sure you don't split it around the engine. So just bear in mind, with the power steering fluid, there are different types. You get the green one, you get the red one. Some actually look like water, more of the clear one. So this one for BM, most BMs actually use this type. They use the ATF, which is the red one. So you just need to top it up. Ignore my bonnet here because I know for sure, the shocks of the bonnets are not working properly. So here I need to be using my hands. After you pour it, if there's someone who can assist you, let the person sit in the car and then start the vehicle once you top up the fluid. Rotate the steering to the left and right side. Just make sure that every rotation ends at each angle. So if you turn it to the left, make sure that you turn it all the way until you are unable to turn it again. So once you rotate it, this will allow the fluid to flow through the pipes. So this will allow the fluid to go through each and every pipe. So once you do that, you come back to the hood and then top it up once again. Just top it up until it is at the maximum. It's that easy. Once you top it up to the maximum, normally it's written on the container. Once it is up to the maximum, then you can cover the cap, and I think you are sorted with your fluid. Always make sure you check the level to ensure that you have the right amount of fluid in your vehicle. Thank you for watching. My name is Director Vim, and I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one.